In this video, I'll talk about how you can change your country on eToro. Now, there's no way that you can do it right from the platform right here. So the way that you can do this is you need to contact the support. The way this is done is you want to scroll down and find help and resources. Click on the start chatting to assistance via chat. Now this will just be an AI, but you can talk with the AI and see if it can do it for you, or if it cannot, it can connect you to a real person that can help you. So just start chatting, let them know that you need to change your country for whatever reason, but keep in mind you need to actually live in that country. So you need to, for the most part, provide some sort of proof of your address, and once you've sent that over, they will review it, and after a few business days, they might be able to update your address. So that is currently the only way that you can do this, otherwise you need to create a completely new account. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.